Hello everyone, this is the POrtronics M5 mobile holder which I have received just now from Amazon. So I'm going to open this and I'm going to fix it either here or maybe either somewhere here. Okay, so let's unbox this. So now this is how it looks like. Okay, POrtronics M5. They were the cheaper version, but I got this better one for around 340. So let me open this M5 as you can see, and the unboxing first. This, what is this? Oh wow, so this is the main holder. It looks quite good, and what I really liked is it just, when you press, it just opens. Now if I do this, and there's this thing here, so if I press this, right, it looks good. So this is one part. Now the other part will be the main thing where it is, get stuck, and you can just swivel this. So I just need to connect. Let me connect it right now. Now what I need to do is I just need to put this inside. Okay, and then it'll go in. Now I'll have to just put it, fix it this way. Okay, so it can be rotated, anywhere that I want. So I've got this mount, there's this thing, fixing thing, and there's this sticking thing. So I'm not sure where to fix. Most probably, I don't know, be a very good place for my phone. Yeah, here, right? So I'll just take this out. Okay, okay, now this is quite sticky, by the way. Okay, you have this thing as well, so suction cup. So I'll just do like this, right? And I've cleaned it thoroughly, and now I'll just put it somewhere over here. Yes, I want that. Yeah, here. So I fixed it properly, and now I'll put this, so it's fixed properly. Put it this way. I can do this, can rotate, right? So I have this phone. I'm just going to connect it. It's quite solid. And now I can put it this way. It's not going to come out. I can use like this for navigation, or either I can do this way also. So quite a handy product, and you can always use this M5. It costs around 340 rupees, and it's quite good. Okay, thanks. Bye bye.